What is up, Shupe family? Gonna do some smallmouth fishing today. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna see if we can maybe hook into a wiper, see if we can find these big smallmouth as well. Stay tuned. Got to the first spot. I noticed this breeze kicking towards this point a little bit, so I was thinking about just starting here and seeing if any bait fish is getting blown up to this little point and see if there's any smallmouth that are holding down here. So I'm just throwing right now the IMA. I forget the color of it's called, but I don't know, it works like a dream. And then I'll just switch colors accordingly depending on what we can get to eat. I also have a drop shot tied on my spinning rod for now, and we'll just alternate through the baits. I'm thinking crankbait might work good, just a square bill so I can cover some water, but I am going to be working this jerk bait for a minute just because it's my confidence bait and I can usually get a few bites off of it. Just had to retie. I got a snagged and lost my whole setup. But I tied a different jerkbait on too, but I still want to work this drop shot right here for a minute. And I've seen several smallmouth swimming through, so it seems like there's a brush right there I can keep getting snagged on. Yeah, let's see. We're gonna send it out there, see if we can get anything to come in. Let this sit for a minute. After this cast, I'll probably throw that jerk bait out again. I'm just doing a pop here and there. I'll switch up the cadence to see what these fish want. Usually I like to fish it fast, especially when the water gets a lot warmer. But this right here, 2 pops, let it pause, 1 pop, let it pause. That's pretty much my go-to cadence for now. And I've always found these fish, and that pause is when they hit, just like that one. A little guy, but fish is a fish. Switch the jerk bait up for the right move. Ooh. I gotta get that. Let's see. Nothing too big. Ooh, we're rehooking. Yeah, not big, but a fish is a fish. Get the skunk off the board. Let's see. He ain't pooping. He's a beautiful fish. We'll put him back. See if we can catch some more. It's 1 down. Now this is just the KVD jerkbait, shallow. For the life of me, I can't tell you the color. It has a purple sheen on the back, black eyes, and they're pretty much a white belly. These white jerk baits are more or less my confidence baits, especially in clear water. When it's the water's a little bit more stained or dirty, I'll throw darker colored, you know, or even if I find out these fish are feeding on perch, let's say, or bluegill, I'll throw on bluegill or perch patterns. So might have to bomb drop shot out there too. Okay, do one more throw. We're gonna meet spot. These jerk baits are freaking awesome. You can just do little twitches on a slack line it gives it pretty dang good action. Or if it, say it's heating up and these fish want an aggressive, you can really just rip on this thing. And it still just have the most amount of erratic action to mimic a wounded fish. That's one of the reasons I like fishing these baits, because they're very versatile on how you can work them. I know I thought I haven't cast this side yet, which I've been just working straight out. I need to see if there's anything parallel to these banks. Change spots. Maybe. You guys see that? Another little one. That gives me an idea. He hit it in his top water. Number 2. Another little guy. But still, he ate that jerkbait when it was on top. So that actually gives me an idea. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna tie a smaller profile popper on the spinning rod. Let's see if we can get some topwater eats, huh? Yeah, so I tied this popper on. Let's see if this will do anything. That was pretty cool. He come up at it when that jerkbait was surfacing. Might be. Let's see if we can get one on here. Let's try this. Let's see. Get a good cast going. There we go. The wind's starting to kick up pretty bad on the main bay, so I made the decision to go to this other spot and look for these calmer bays and see if I can get any of these fish that are getting out of that rougher water. So I'm probably going to work this bay for a minute, shoot north, and work that arm, because I know that arm doesn't get a lot of wind like this main lake does. So that's the plan for right now. See if we can make something happen over here. And it looks good. I know it's deep. Still in the rocky stuff I want to be in. Submerged vegetation still, which is good. A lot of structure. But you can see that water just moving because that wind. Got to this next spot. Pretty dang difficult to get to, but it looks super, super good. Hopefully we can pull a couple out of here. I'm gonna just fish this bay. The wind's not really blowing into it. And so on the right of me, there are some rocks that stick out pretty deep into the water too, that I wanna probably work pretty good with the jerkbait and drop shot. I apologize if the wind gets too bad. I need to get the earmuffs for the GoPro. They will be coming. Up to the drop shot. Feels like a better fish. The wind's crazy. Oh yeah, this is better fish for sure. I just cast it out. I had the camera turned off because of the wind. So I just cast it out and it didn't really stop sinking. So I see. Oh, come here. Oh. There we go, guys. Drop shot strikes again. That's awesome. Might have to hold off this spot. I wonder if they're schooled up over here. Again, this wind is killing me, but it's okay. But here you guys go. Third fish of the day. Getting better for sure. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. I'm gonna get him for the release. Oh, sliding in the water. Let's see if we can do that again with the drop shot. Picked up, had the camera off because of the wind. Just throwing the jerk baits, another little guy. I'm fishing this wind-blown point. This is the 4th one I've caught. I'll try and keep the camera on. The wind is just so brutal. I don't want you guys to just have to hear the wind the whole time over me. It's another little one. Not what we're after yet. Almost there though. Just trying to find some spots that's not so windblown. It's starting to white cap. So I'm just kind of observing the lake and see if I can fish some of these calmer bays. Maybe it's pushing the fish in there. I've caught 4 so far. But I'm gonna get on the west side of this arm, and then I'm gonna beat this bank over here and see if I can pull anything out of that. It's creating little bays and they look a little bit calmer. That might be the ticket. If not, I'm gonna jump back to this arm and fish in the wind on these wind-blown points and see if that will produce. Got to a good one, had the camera off again because of the wind. Actually took my last cast, now it's gonna move up, but he's a decent fish. So I might fish this point for a minute. This wind blown. He's a dang good fish, definitely best of the day. Let's go, guys. Apologize for the camera being off. It's been windier than heck. Ah, there he goes. Let's try it again. Dang it, man. Just ending the day. Caught about 4 or 5 of the little smallmouth. Couldn't really capitalize on anything big, especially when the wind picked up. I mean, the wind started getting super bad. So I changed reservoirs and it was a lot worse. And I didn't even get a single bite. So I'm happy for what I did catch. We'll just have to keep grinding. Stay tuned for the next adventure, and remember, embrace the wild. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.